Hello YouTubers, we are back. We are R&R Bobber. This is
Rutger
and my name is Rob, and together we are working on a Honda VLX 600, converting it into a bobber. Last video we did a lot of work on the subframe and on the electrics. Today we are going to work on
the frame. I'm preparing it to paint, and I'm working on the electrics today.
Okay, my job today is removing clear coat from the covers from the rockers and repainting it with VHT wrinkle black. It's a great paint, and when it's cured with heat it wrinkles and it forms a very nice coating for this really bad rocket covers. So I hope you'll join us in our work today, and see you later when we finish. Bye. Hi, still working on the frame. It's taking up a lot of more work, but we have a lot of patience because we are teachers on bikes.
Hi, Rob is gone again, so I have to clean all the shit here in the garden. But first I have to paint the bike. Look, it was a great job. Bye bye.
Tubers, it's now almost 11 hours later. We finished the frame. It's painted and also had all its layers of clear coat, so that needs to dry now. We're exhausted. Rutger, for the first time, he put the base coat on the frame, and he did quite a good job, better than myself the first time. So it's time for us to say bye bye, and don't forget,
Ride safe.
bye bye.
Bye.